This is video number 1 for 8.3 multiplication properties of exponents. And before we get started with these notes, let's just do a little bit of review. We first have a bunch of 3's here. They're being multiplied times each other. This is what we call expanded form. And we're going to look at how to go from expanded form to exponential form. So we look and see how many 3's we have. Well, 3 is the base, and it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this in exponential form is 3 to the 5th power. So the base is what's being multiplied. So that's 3. It's being multiplied 4 times. So that's 3 to the 4th power. Here we have a lot more 3's. So 3 is our base, because it's what's being used as a factor, and it's being used as a factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Okay, so that's how you go from exponential form to expanded form. Now, when we are multiplying powers with the same base, I'm going to use that expanded form to kind of help you see what we're actually doing here. We talked about it a little bit when we did scientific notation. Now we're going to be doing a lot more of it. When we have bases that are the same, we keep the base the same, and we're going to add the exponents. Okay, so let's look at why we do that. So 3 to the 5th power is expanded, is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So it's 5 3's. Now we're multiplying that times 3 to the 4th power. So that's 4 more 3's. So what we're going to do is we're going to add all those 3's together, and we get 3 to the 9th power. So this is just kind of showing you what it looks like in expanded form, why we're adding the exponents together and not multiplying the 3's. 3 is being used as a base. It's being used as a factor, the number of times the exponent, whatever the exponent is. Okay? All right, so first example says rewrite each expression using each base only once. Notice it does not say simplify. So do not simplify. We're just going to follow the directions. Okay? You know I'm a stickler for directions. So on here, the base is 7, and we're going to add the exponents together. So that's 7 to the 5th. And that's our answer. We're not going to simplify because it doesn't tell us simplify. It says to rewrite each answer using each base only once. All right, number 2, 6 is the base. We're going to add the exponents together. 8 plus negative 8 is 0. Yes, I know that would simplify to 1, but remember, we're not simplifying in these directions. All right, number 3, the base is 4. So I have my exponents are 4, and then the middle exponent, that's a 1, and then my last exponent's a negative 2. So I'm adding all those together. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus negative 2 is 3. We're not going to simplify that to 64. We're going to leave it just like it is. All right, and the last one, the base is 5, and I have exponents. I have an x for an exponent. My middle exponent is x minus 2, and my last exponent is a 5. So we're going to combine like terms. X plus x would be 2x, and negative 2 plus 5 would be positive 3. So this is 5 to the 2x plus 3 power. Okay, move next to video number 2, and we'll look at more multiplying powers in algebraic expressions and simplifying them.